Speak louder, please. Speak louder.
We need to be more on it, mate. We just wasted set.
You are super quiet, man. Speak louder.
We need to be on it, man. We cannot have this. This is.
Shout. You need to shout.
Oh my goodness, man. Repeat.
Max's last lap, 32.6.
I mean, so why you tell me 33.0? Why did you box me on the extreme? He was just coming in at that time.
Why did we follow them? We should do a race. Don't worry about them.
Hulkenberg at 1.
Has Max pitted?
Max has just pitted. So Max will be about 12 seconds in front, just coming out the pit lane. The gap behind 2.2.
Like this I cannot fight.
Claro, el auto se le va. Bueno, mi auto cuando freno se me va para la derecha, ¿no? Estamos chequeando.
A Russell, estamos a bordo. Aquí hay una linda pelea por este tercer lugar entre Russell y Sainz, a bordo con Sainz. Ahí va el español, lo pasa, dejó como parado con esa velocidad de la Ferrari.
Four laps to go.
What's the fastest lap? How far away?
It's minus 0.5 on the dash, but with this back marker. Yeah, with the world of traffic ahead. Let's bring it home.
Comienza a escaparse directamente en el campeonato de constructores. Ahí está Leclerc, que termina tercero y va al podio. Récord de vuelta para Leclerc. Ahí está el...
What's the fastest lap?
You've got the fastest lap.
Yes.
Good job. Well managed. Race looking good. Handbrake to open the lap. Recharge off when you're ready. Hulkenberg at 1.
.5.
I was impeding Perez, turned third.
Reported. Gasly 2 behind pushing.
Thoughts on conditions?
Yeah, it's only sector 1 for Inter.
Okay, so we've got 5 minutes of light rain, and then it's going to pick up solid.
Yeah, we need to make sure that we manage this tire.
Yeah, look after at this stage.
It's too dry, man. It's too dry.
There's rain coming. It was worth taking the shot on that first hitter. Hit the crossover. Just dried up enough after that.
Didn't work. I can't get any traction.
Don't try the move into 3, focus on the exit. Wider into 3.
I don't have any traction. Yeah, the front at the moment going off in high speed. How are the temperatures?
tyre temperatures are pretty sensible.